VMAR stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So observing Vision Marine stock, this thing was like really tricky back here on Friday when the price just blew up 41.5%, and now it's like up 42 again, which is cool. It's a little bit more than the previous movement. At some point of the day we were a lot higher, so this looks like a little dodgy. Context, I've done 35,000 videos, you know, spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything. And relatively speaking, VMAR is just still something that I'm looking to take lower. It's not going to be like I'm going to look to specifically short, purely because I'm not even going to be able to trade this environment, purely because the rules are not met. When it's gapping up like this, I mean, definitely I've tried it, but my data shows that I'm never profitable on it. So even if I try and do it, like obviously people have made it work, but for me, it's only going to be a short if there's a proper shift. And when am I going to begin to look for something bullish? Let's say if it starts breaking with a full candle close above 273, not just once but multiple times, like more than 2. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.